साल तो कंप्यूटर में होता है रेडिंग क्लास मेरा फैमिली में कोई नहीं करता माय मॉम इज टेक्नीशियन शी कैन रीड विदाउट मेरा घर में कोई नहीं करता ये प्रोफेशन है मतलब हेरिडिटरी को भी वो कर देता
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. This matter may kindly be taken after 2 weeks, my Lord.
Why?
Conducting counsel, Mr. Hassan, has some personal difficulty, my Lord.
Who's on the other side? On premier on behalf of the learned conducting counsel for the petitioner who is said to be indisposed on grounds of personal difficulty. The same not being objected to by the respondent, matter is adjourned. This is after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
My Lord, this is the matter in which they have been imposed the penalty charges for the thing, and then the matter has gone to the department to consider, and then has gone to the Lok Adalat, my Lord, and then the request, the petition is to reduct 60%, which is not feasible here, my Lord, because they have apparently accepted. So on the last occasion, the Lordship has also genuinely spoken to him, why not you come to a reasonable decision or request to our side, because 60% of the 100% is just not appropriate in the light of the fact that they have actually outlet the electricity connection, my Lord.
If I recall correctly, they have already paid some.
My Lord, that is the rule which for filing an appeal they have to pay consider 50% of the actual amount, and from the remaining 50%, my Lord, so so the entire amount. If we calculate into 100%, they are requesting 60% reduction of the entire amount, which is around 60,000 something. So which is not proper, my Lord.
Let's put it this way. 50% have been deposited.
My Lord, for the appeal.
Whatever the case.
For preferring an
so
appeal.
now 50% is left.
My Lord, yes.
Out of that 50%, so they wanted a rebate of 60% of that.
Yes, my Lord.
60% of that.
The remaining amount.
Or of the total sum.
So the remaining amount is approximately 63,000 or 60 to 70,000. So they're praying.
50%. Why not 50%?
So they are demanding a little bit more than what
50% would be reasonable.
Because, my Lord, as in the light of the fact that they have actually admitted.
Exactly. Now.
And we are ready to go for.
Exactly. Now you see, considering the fact, as I pointed out earlier, considering the fact that they are under watch now.
Yes, my Lord.
They are actually the custodian of the purse of the village, so to say, and it's not it's nobody's personal gain or loss, so to say. In view of that, if concession is given by you, okay, they have asked for 60%. You can agree on 50%.
No, my Lord, they have not agreed to that. We have come twice. A meeting was held, and even before the local we were also present. They are demanding little more, despite the fact that they have actually wrongfully. So it is from their side now the difficulty, because, my Lord, there is no provision for compromising or deducting.
Exactly.
We are going that far, my Lord, in order to settle the issue. So the petitioner can come to a considerable request, genuine request. There is no difficulty, because we are going beyond the actual rules also, my Lord. So we have no problem. It is for them to come with a proper.
I think you should be reasonable.
Request, my Lord.
You are on the back foot in any case.
Because all the documents are there that we have given them notice. We have given them opportunity. Everything is on record, my Lord.
You consider.
Yes, Lord.
Try to negotiate, and see that it is accepted. Otherwise, the matter will proceed, and you will be liable in any case.
Lordship.
You might be liable for the entire amount.
Lordship.
Anyway, this matter has proceeded far too long. Only on that point. On premier by the petitioner, this is matter to 3 weeks. I'll give you 3 weeks and just no more adjournment.
Lordship.
Whatever the case may be, whether you agree, don't agree, we'll proceed with the matter.
My Lord, my Lord.
Will you bless your Lordship?
Excuse me.
May it please, Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 9. Lordship, I humbly pray this matter may be listed after a week or two.
9 and 10 are connected matters, Your Lordship. 9 and 10 are connected matters.
9 and 10.
Yes.
What is this matter about?
Service matter, Lordship.
Regularization of teacher.
Regularization.
Of teacher.
They are still in service.
Your Lordship.
Which department?
Teacher, Your Lordship, education. Yes.
Teacher of aided school or government school?
Government school, but he is a temporary teacher, Your Lordship.
Whatever.
10 years
So
complete.
then the usual rule will apply.
Only thing is that he does not possess MTET and age bar also.
We'll see how.
Yes, Your Lordship. Let the matter come up in hearing and satisfy Your Lordship.
On pre-made by petitioner, this is matter after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
So 9 and 10.
9 and 10, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
The release item number 1.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, the state was supposed to file an affidavit, lordship, because the last affidavit filed, there was some typo mistakes, lordship. So at this juncture, lordship, we've not been able to file the same, lordship. So I pray for some more time.
That's only for respondent number 6.
Lordship, that was the typo mistake last time, lordship, when in fact it should have been for 3 to 7, lordship.
All the other respondents have filed their counter. Have you filed your rejoinder?
No, Your Lordship, we require some time, Your Lordship, to file a rejoinder.
Miss Angela Leonard Senior J, appearing for the state respondent number 6, appearing for respondent number 6, oblique state respondent. State has submitted that the affidavit in opposition could not be filed today and has sought for some more time for the same to be filed. Allowed. Miss Legal Counsel for the petitioner has also submitted that the rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the other respondents could not be filed today and has also sought for accommodation in this regard. Allowed. This is matter to 2 weeks.
Much obliged,
Much
lordship.
obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
This means item number 2, I need some more time.
You have to file the.
I have to file the agreement. Some more time is required because this is not yet has come. This confirmation about it.
This is only as to who will
Sign.
depose, whether it is CEO or somebody else.
Because if the CEO and then it will be given by the defense director, not defense director of the defense, not the PDC. So this was the
The
problem.
GEO I have filed in September 23.
That is for the contentment.
He has given simple letter to authorizing the CEO, but it is not the proper. So,
That see, last time you said the same thing. This time you are saying the same thing.
so not yet has come yet.
If you're not interested,
more-
you forfeit your chance to file a affidavit. We'll go by whatever is there on record. They will defend your case. I think the main respondent would be the cantonment. What does union have? Yeah,
It's up to him to adopt the same affidavit or not.
you could.
If we give some more time, you will.
Honestly, it's just dragging on.
How can I adopt that?
Mr. R. Debnath, led CGC, has once again sought for time to file the counter affidavit on the ground that the instructions received is not complete, and as such the counter affidavit could not be filed today. Displayed sorry, along the Nahmat Pan along to Patpor. the on consideration of the pre-made, the same is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Item number 3.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for the appellant insurance company in this matter. And as per your Lordship previous order dated 17/10 of 2024, we are required to take steps upon issuing notice to respondent number 2. So your Lordship, we have taken steps, and as per the track consignment report, your Lordship, the notice has returned back, your Lordship.
Not served.
Not served, Lordship.
Return refused.
That is with regard to respondent number 3.
Okay.
So we were supposed to file an affidavit. I've already filed my affidavit of service with regard to respondent number 3.
But 2.
Number 2 is the notice is unserved.
So you have to take 5 steps.
We'll take 5 steps again.
Mr. Learned Counsel for the appellant. We are only on the misapplication now.
Yes, your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the notice issued upon the respondent number 3 has returned with a note that the same has been refused to be received by the notice receiver. An affidavit of service in this regard has been filed for this court. As regard the notice issued upon respondent number 2, no report has been received so far. It is prayed that fresh steps may be allowed to be taken for issuance of notices or notice upon the respondent number 2. Your
Lordship, respondent number 1 has entered appearance, but they have not appeared today. So
anyway, this respondent 1 have received.
Yes, they have already entered appearance.
Already entered.
Yes.
None appears for respondent number 1.
Highly obliged.
Straightforward. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
Please, Lordship. So I'm bringing this matter may come at the end of the board, Lordship. End of the board.
In that case, we'll have it tomorrow, my lord. End of the board.
On pre-made with parties, this is matter tomorrow.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
In this case, Lordship, in this case, the date is today. Lordship, it can be taken up after a week.
Today is the day for recording of evidence.
Yes.
2 weeks then.
2 weeks, 2 weeks. On 19th.
On pre-made by Mr. M. F. Kaushal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has sought for some time for this matter to be taken up, on the ground that the recording of evidence by the trial court is fixed today, and the position of such witness would require to be submitted before this court for consideration. Hence the prayer. Hence the prayer for adjournment. On pre-made, this seems allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 6.
On our part, we have already submitted a written submission, Your Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner? I think he is to file his 2018. Then appears for the petitioner. This is matter after 1 week.
Enable it, Your Lordship.
Item number 7.
My lord, the only issue that survived here was that whether the SPV fund was used for maintenance of the PWD road or not, my lord. That was the issue. Here,
is there any pleadings in that regard?
yes, it is there, my lord. So what happened is that we are Nongtrai village. So we have given our land on lease. We are a right land, a lease to the Lafarge, and for mining. So there was a litigation, and finally this litigation reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court allowed mining, but on the principle of polluter pays policy. So Supreme Court has directed for constitution of an special purpose vehicle, where the fund of all this money collected in a form of penalties will be taken care, and that will be used only for development of certain development pertaining to the welfare development of the affected villages and surrounding this area. And SPB, under the chairman of the chief secretary, the special vehicle society was formed, and the guidelines itself very clearly said in which area this money has to be used, and while using this area, the village committee has to be taken, are a very important stakeholders in this. We proposed what area we need, and as per that the SPB approves and the money gets utilized. In the guidelines, it is very clearly stated that it was provided that this money will not be diverted for government projects, like especially for construction of maintenance of the PWD roads, my lord. Purportedly, there was an NIT, my lord. The NIT was passed, and in this NIT, many small fraction of works were joined together to make it into a big package. And this road, which was supposed to be repaired or which was supposed to be maintained, the money has been used from SPV. And when they call the NIT itself mentions under the SPV. But where the money was going to be utilized, it was going to be utilized for maintenance of these PWD roads. So that is the place where we were aggrieved with, my lord. So that now, of course, the road has been left abandoned.
What are the evidence that it has been used for maintenance of the road?
Yes, my lord. Number one thing is that, my lord, the NIT itself says that SPV, this money will be under SPV. Okay. Now, whether it was really used, whether it was been paid to the contractor or not, that is where we were left, my lord, where my lord have directed the state respondents to bring instructions on that aspect. If they say, no, we have not used for maintenance from the SPV fund, the matter ends. I have no case at all. But if they have used the SPV fund, that money has to go back to the SPV account, so that that money can be utilized for development of school, tourism, so many other projects, which we have also submitted actually. But this money should not be misused. Why this money is getting misused? I don't want to go to the other aspect why it has been used in that way. It is to please some contractors who could not get a big project. It has been pleased. But politics aside, this money which is meant for, especially for the affected areas of the mining, it has to go to the right, to the rightful places where it's supposed, not for diversions, my lord. That was only issue left now, my lord. So my lord has directed the government respondents to bring on record.
Yes, this matter come after 1 week, lordship. Because I'll inform this.
Have you received instruction?
No, I'm not appearing in this matter, lordship. Let it come after 1 week. I'll inform the government lawyer concerned.
Who's
Mr. Karwanlang was appearing, my lord.
Where is he?
Today
He's supposed to be here.
Yes.
What? He's not there, lordship. Let it come after 1 week. I'll inform.
Let him come with instructions after, otherwise
you convey the I'll not say direction.
Yes.
You convey the request of the court.
Yes. That will do, my lord.
Yeah, yes, lordship. convene.
You've understood what Mr. Yubin had
Yes, yes.
submitted. Mr. Karmi, learned additional senior CA, has sought for accommodation on the ground that the conducting counsel, state counsel, Mr. H. Karwalang, is indisposed. On premium, this seems allowed. On the petitioner not objecting to the same, pray along. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'll give you enough time.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
In this matter, Mr. K. Paul and Mr. Thapa is appearing.
Yes. So where are they?
They are not there. It's criminal appeal.
Lordship, to inform this Honorable Court, Lordship, does the petitioner in this instant case, Lordship, is expired, Lordship. So, Your Lordship can.
Who has expired? The lawyer or the
Petitioner, Lordship.
Appellant.
Appellant, Your Lordship.
Appellant.
The appellant, Your Lordship.
Yes,
so, Your Lordship, Your Lordship may allow us 2 weeks' time, will produce the
death certificate.
Close to
So matter abates.
Yes.
Mr. Learned Counsel for the appellant has submitted that it is reliably learned that the appellant has since expired. However, the Learned Counsel would submit that he may be allowed to produce the death certificate for confirmation of the same. On premium, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 13.
What is your direction? You are supposed to.
So, you will see here the petitioner is supposed to.
Oh, he is to get instruction as to whether to accept.
Yes.
That certificate or not. None appears for the petitioner. On pre-made by Mr. Adamant and CGC appearing for the respondent. Matters adjourned. It's the same after 3 weeks.
Item number 14.
cases. Thank you. So I missed both. But this was important. Please, I see you. Okay, thank you.